Meaning of deterrent.
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 Deterrent. The word deterrent describes something that prevents or discourages something else from happening. The result of a deterrent is that it causes people to reconsider their actions and not engage in the behavior that is being deterred. For example, a higher police presence in a neighborhood can act as a deterrent for crime, making people less likely to commit crimes because they fear getting caught. A well-constructed security system can be a deterrent for burglars, making them less likely to target a certain house or building.